Trying to check the windows. All right, here we go. Let's see. Wing, Winget, install, get, get. Let's see if this fixes it. We about to get Openclaw up and running, and then I'm trying to get the AI running on this computer right here. Trying to upgrade the install package. All right, trying to upgrade. No available upgrade found. No newer package versions available for it. All right, so I already got that installed. So what the hell is the problem? All right, clear. All right, say clear corrupted session files. If you tried installing before, okay, here we go. Delete the file located. All right, I gotta do this. Let's put this in here. This command. Gotta put a command in here. Openclaw gateway pending .json. That didn't work. Openclaw gateway .pending / pending. All right. Openclaw Dr. Fix. Let's see. Yup. Openclaw. This Openclaw here. You got one? You got an Openclaw? Gateway keep failing. The gateway keep failing. That's what's going on here. So let's see. Openclaw on board. Let's see. Let's run the Openclaw on board. Let's do a manual update values. Okay, this is saying no gateway detected. Why is there no gateway detected here? What's going on? Yeah, I am on Windows. So what's going on? What's the problem? It's saying, and what's crazy, I was already running I already ran one on here. Like, look, I already had one running for a little bit, but the problem was that they run out of that a lot of time when you're doing it for free. Look, he posted stock pics for me and everything. These are stock pics that he posted for me. Like I had him set up and everything right here. All right, so now the problem is I'm doing the onboard. You need to run Openclaw first and keep it running. The gateway command connects it. That's what I'm doing. Well, right now this Openclaw onboard. Are you saying to do it or like? 'Cause I'm doing it manually. You saying not to do it manually? Openclaw. crazy is I got the like I got one set up already on my Mac. I got my Mac right here next to my other one. I got him set up in that Mac right there, and he running. I got him. You know what I mean? Like he's good. Look, yo, what up? What you doing? Let's see what he say. I'm running this. Whatever command you use to run that needs to stay running while you run the dashboard. There you go. Look, he said, I don't know if the words is coming out straight over there, cause you know how the camera flip. But he said, I just grinding, running heartbeat, running heartbeat checks, making sure everything good. Scanners ran today, gave you good picks. Deleted the wallet tracker and meme coin scanner like you asked. What you got going on? Mm, he already got, he got his Moat Book page. He be posting on Moat Book too every day and everything on there. Yo, I don't know what command I ran this on, yo. But when you say ran, like, are you saying like running as an administrator? Like right now, this is administrator. I'm on an administrator one right here. This joint right here. I don't know what I did because when I first started doing this, you know what I'm saying, I was just going, like, I was learning, like, by myself, and I don't know what I did. So I can't remember what is going on here. There you go. Okay, there you go. Yeah. But it's definitely saying no gateway detected right now, right here. Hmm. Do I have to install Damon? Yeah, this onboarding, yeah. This the onboarding part. So I went, I started I did the manual process. So now, when it say, what do you want to set up, right? It say, when I got the local gateway, this machine over here, these faded out words say no gateway detected. Huh. Skilled node manager, NPM. Gateway bind telnet. It looks like you're still onboarding. I mean, I'm just rerunning the onboard process. I've done it already a few times. It's just, so it's not, it hasn't worked out. So I'm just rerunning it to see if any settings that I change or fix the problem that I'm having right now with it. So you think I should run Openclaw status? Let's see. All right, let me cancel this out. Openclaw status. Damn, I messed that up. Hold on. I messed that up. I misspelled that. All right, probing gateway. Let's see. All right, Discord enabled. That's cool. Sessions, kind direct, age 12 days ago. Coder model. This ain't 12 days ago. I set this up like 2 weeks ago. It's crazy. So what am I looking for here? What am I supposed to be looking at there? Yeah. I mean, so the Discord channel is connected. So this session here says 12 days ago. I don't think that's right. I just got on today and the session, matter of fact, that's probably why it's not working. I was using a completely different model 12 days ago, and since then I figured, so I'm trying to use the stuff that I used with this one because I was using Gwen with that over here, but over here I'm using Minimax. So today when I started this up, the onboarding process, I set it up with Minimax, but yeah, this sessions here, agent main direct say age 12 days ago. I don't know. Maybe this shouldn't be. Maybe this need to be reset. This say age 12 days ago. What's up with that? Shouldn't. How do I start this fresh here? Make this a whole fresh situation. Cause I already done reset Openclaw a couple times. So you know what I mean, I don't know how this is still here. And I just ran the uninstall of the old one. Something is off here. I think it's old files that's messing with the new files or something. I think it's a fresh overclock instance. Just means deleting the files it runs in. This is from the old session though. Does this mean that this is the session I'm in right now with this AI? I don't get it. Cause I done reset stuff, like I shouldn't be on no session right now. I don't understand what this is about. What about so what is Damon? The install with Damon. What about that? That got anything to do with the gateway? Let me see. Does Damon run the gateway? Let's see. Yes. Okay, it does. So maybe I'm missing Damon. So let's see. I'm not missing Damon though. I shouldn't be. Let's see. I was already running one on here. Official Damon tool site. Damn. What is it? What's it? Let's say from PowerShell because it's trying to. This is drawing. Let's see. The status command should show you the URL from the gateway. What up, yo? Set gateway. Uh, rate limits. Some gateway nodes deny commands entries are ineffective. All right, so I gotta. I mean, I got two warnings on here. I got two warnings. Name matching only unknown commands. Camera, but no gateway or rate limit is configured. Without rate limiting, brute force off takes attacks not are not mitigated. Yeah, it's not. It looked like it ain't set up, but it's installed though. to show the URL. Yeah, the URL is showing. It's on there. So, all right. So on local, right, where when you come down the gateway, right here, let's see if I can bring this up. Damn, this show no, this ain't gonna work. This ain't gonna work. It's in the way. I'm trying to get closer. Hold on. I still can't see that. I guess the URL isn't authenticated. Nah, it do be I do be authenticating it. It was authenticating though. Watch this. I'm about to run the onboarding process right now. Watch this. I'm tripping. Alright. Openclaw on board. I'm gonna this time, matter of fact, I'm not gonna run it manually. I'm gonna do the quick start. Let's see how that runs. Let's see how that goes. I misspelled it. Hold on. Openclaw. Let's do quick start. Use updated values. This one I'm using here, Minimax. Global. This how I got it set up on the Mac. Alright, now there you go. You see that? Authenticate. Pops up. Boom. Hit that. Now we back here. Keep current joint. Yup. Discord channel already configured, so we don't gotta do that. Skip. Now configure skills. Yes. Let's see what happens. Because I was having a problem here. Maybe all this is connected. So let's see what happens with this. This right here wasn't installing. There it goes, you see? Well, yeah, a lot of them failed. A lot of these failed. Brew not installed, but I don't know how important this is. It's installing it installed one of the things. Well, actually, no, it didn't. All that stuff failed. All right, let's enable all this stuff in here. Gateway service runtime. Quick start uses node for the gateway service. Stable, all right. All right, let's restart the gateway. Gateway service restarted. You said don't enable every skill. Well, yeah, I obviously couldn't because most of them didn't work. All right, so you see, look, it just tried to launch it. So here it goes here, but it's not. It say refuse to connect. That's what it say right here. Yeah. I hope this isn't a personal machine with what? Damn, I can't see. I got this crack in the middle. I got my screen is I can't read what that say. Real info on it. It don't even matter, dog. Openclaw, run Openclaw dashboard. Alright. Is that the same as Openclaw dashboard run? I just did. Yeah, I just did it. I added run. I say error. Too many attempts for dashboard. I mean, not attempts. I say too many arguments. All right. Yeah, something is wrong here. Openclaw dashboard run. Add allow unconfigured. Add allow unconfigured. Alright, I ran the dashboard run. Then you say add allow unconfigured. Alright. Alright, what did I do wrong? It's saying that the term add is not recognized. I wasn't supposed to add. I don't know. That's not working. This is weird, yo. I already had this running. That's crazy. I already had a bot running and operating in here. Yeah, but maybe I used. Does it matter the type of install that I use? All right, so how about we just uninstall this and then start it fresh? How can I erase everything? Yeah, but I think that yeah, I did that. I already did that a couple times. Let's all right. Let's try it again. Yeah, I reset it. I had reset the whole thing. Let's go manual. All right, manual. Reset. I'm resetting everything. Full reset. Something is off here though, because right here at this part right here, this is a problem. It's saying no gateway detected. So there's something here. Matter of fact, all right. Okay, I think I see what's going on, y'all. I see what's going on. This it's not even all this right here is saying that it failed to move to trash. So I need the manual delete. All right, hold on. I gotta run a manual delete on this stuff. Damn. All right, let me copy all this. Let me copy this. Uh, let's start with the first one. All right, let's cancel this run here. Cancel this run. Let's start with this one. All right, what the hell is this? Oh, it's not letting me copy this. Oh snap. The module cannot be loaded. For more information, run import module. I'm trying to delete stuff though. So what's the deal with that? Is that a piece to the puzzle right there? Yeah. What's crazy is from somebody from the hood too. I've never done this a day in my life. But it took me like 4 days to install the one in the MacBook though. I lost like 3 agents, you know what I mean, before I got it up and running, but I got my agent set up already, completely free locally on the Mac. And he's good. Like I'm good with that. He's running good, but I'm about to pay for that. I set him up and I told him you got to help me make some money so we can upgrade you. So he put me on some bread. I'm gonna hook him up, put him in a bigger computer. You know what I mean, pay for some of them subscriptions, them AI subscriptions, better models. that you could run on. I'm trying to install my Openclaw, but we having issues here. So we just trying to troubleshoot the whole situation. So I'm about to do what my man here said. So I'm about to delete this Openclaw. All right, let me see. I'm checking out your joint. Already, it's crazy because I did this like 10 times on my Mac already. Like so let's see. R. All right, dot Openclaw. All right. What the hell? A parameter cannot be found that matches parameter name. What the hell? What did I mess up here? I wasn't supposed to put a space in there. Maybe I wasn't supposed to put a space between RM. Hold on. Hold on. Because I put a space between this. So let's see if that was the problem. Nope. Still doing it. Did I misspell something here? RM, the file path. Yeah, I see. That's what I'm saying. I don't know. Yeah, I don't know, dog. I mean, if it does wipe it, I ain't stressing that. I ain't stressing that if it does. I got other computers with the same information that's in here. Yeah, this PowerShell. Space after RM and space after. All right, RM space. And space after RF. RF. Wait, you said RF? Space after RM and space after RF. Ain't no RF. It's just the R. Is that what it is? Because I just put an R. Is that the problem? Yeah, I just put an R. Cause before up here, maybe you misspelled it. Did you put just the R up there? Let me see. Cause I was looking at what you put on there. Yeah, you just put an R on it the first time up here when you commented that. Is it supposed to be RM, right? Or I mean RF? Okay. Yeah, that's not what it said before. All right, let me do that. Hold on. All right, so the F is missing. Let's add the F. Right now, what we doing, man? Uninstalling. We trying to uninstall so we can do a fresh install of Openclaw, the AI agent. You say I may not need the F. I might, maybe. Let's see. Let's see. I'm gonna do the space. I'm gonna do the space with it. Dot. Installing what? Man, I can't see from my screen is fucked up. Captain Claw? Hell no. Openclaw. It's Openclaw. I never even heard of Captain Claw. What's Captain Claw, man? I never heard of that. It's Openclaw. Hello? Hello? Yeah. Is Captain Claw better than Openclaw? What's going on here? Oh yeah, no, I don't want no game, nah. I want my AI set up. Yeah, no game. I'm setting up the AI agent, and I'm trying to put them in a room with my other AI so they can talk to each other. Let me see. I gotta Google some stuff, man. I might have to Google some stuff here because I don't know what's. Let me see what kind of computer I got first of all. What I want to do is finish that command with Openclaw, and this should work to reset your install. I say invalid argument. I'm gonna remove these spaces because RM. All right, we're gonna do one space here because usually that do be needing a space. RF, RM, RF. All right, still nothing. Damn. All right, let's remove all spaces. Let's see if the all spaces remove work. RM. Nope, none of that work. Damn. Yeah, this PowerShell. I'm on PowerShell administrator as as the admin. I got it. I'm running PowerShell on administrator. This PowerShell shit might be in the way. What's the best thing I should use for Windows, man? For something like this, what you think is the best thing I should run? But I want to just erase everything they got to do with this right now and just start fresh, like from everything. That's what I want to do. Start completely fresh. Install everything fresh, the nodes, whatever, you know what I'm saying? So what I need to do is I want to just do it manually myself from the files. That's what I'd rather do. All right, let's go to File Explorer here. I want to manually delete everything that comes with Openclaw. Hold on, somebody just walked in my store. What's up? Huh? What? The one room? I was trying to look for it. Yeah, I ain't got no bread right from the corner. Huh? I don't know right now. Shit is slow. I couldn't buy too much right now. What's wrong with it, man? Let me see. Somebody trying to cell phone. I ain't even got it right now. Shit, real. All right, y'all. All right, what's the deal? All right, I was trying to delete what y'all talking about here. Openclaw is very powerful, but can be dangerous if the AI takes action. You wouldn't expect it. Yeah, this AI. I mean, you would have to have programmed in something crazy for it to. To show, hold on, because I missed a lot of what y'all said. Hold on. Windows, that won't work. Accidentally typed. You'll need this rule to show him. To show him files and windows. Open File Explorer. Click the View tab or menu in the select show. And check the hidden items. Let's see. I don't know what I'm doing here. Let's see. It's an Openclaw documentation. Openclaw somehow. Let's just secure. That's all. I don't think that it's not set up right. I think the problem is that when I changed the way I was trying to run it, I'm thinking that the old files is fucking with the new files. Like, I kind of had this problem. I think I had this problem with the Mac. I don't know. I had to wipe my Mac a couple times. You gotta remember too, I ain't never do nothing like this ever in my life before this. So before, you know what I'm saying, a couple weeks ago. So I didn't know nothing about coding, the lingo of it, none of it. I had to literally learn it, like spending the whole day just on this shit. All I was trying to do is just get the AI running. But I'm in my store right now. You know, so see, look, this my camera I got set up. Hold on, I got my camera set up in the front, watching the front of the store right now. I'm in the back, so if somebody walk in, I go see what they want. Yeah, so see them do this just one time. You gotta do this. With the arrow from the top. Let's see. Okay, so you see, this right here was probably messing it up, right? Because I'm trying to switch from well, the existing config detected, Openclaw workspace, model, Minimax portal, Minimax M2.5, gateway mode, SA local, gateway port 18789, and gateway bind telnet. Now, what's up with telnet? What's the deal with telnet? What's that? Because maybe I installed something in here that got something to do with that. What's the whole telnet situation? What's the deal with that? With telnet? And I just realized too, right? That I just realized that I got a problem with my other AI on my Mac, right? So, but I kind of figured out what it was, but I still probably don't know how to set it up though. So, my MacBook AI, I got him running on Discord, and I got him set up on Telegram, but but I can talk to him through Discord, but when I try to talk to him on Telegram, it's not letting me. And the reason why is because of the way I got set up, the whole tail scale situation. My tail scale, because I got tail scale installed on here. And when I did the Openclaw onboarding process, I set it to just to loop back local. So I believe that's stopping Openclaw for talking to me through Telegram too. I don't know, but I need to troubleshoot that. I'm saying computer to Openclaws. What you mean? I'm running two different Openclaws. I'm running two Openclaws. I got the two separate. My one of my MacBook is running right now. Is up. This one is different. The one on this computer that we're trying to troubleshoot. This is a whole separate one that I started a couple weeks ago. So, but I started this process when I didn't know nothing. So right now, I rather just I don't know. I think I should just delete everything, and I kind of don't want to reset the computer, but I'm about to. I'm about to just reset the whole computer, man. That's what I'm about to do. I'm about to just reset the whole computer, everything, erase everything, and restart it, and just do it with that on there. Cause I got shit on this computer anyway. He said just check if the folder exists for sure. If it does, then just run it on CMD by typing Openclaw. What you mean by run it on CMD, man? I don't even. That's what I'm saying. I don't know the lingo like that, man. You talking to me like I know this, man? I don't know. I'm surprised I got a fully running AI right now. I'm surprised I managed to get work. You know what I'm saying? Get that off, and I got him set up nice too. He got a lot of skills. Like this boy got a lot of skills. He giving me stock picks, all types of shit. Delete that. Yeah, I did that and start right now on the PowerShell. You're on. It's CMD. All right, you are on CMD right now. The PowerShell. You are on a CMD. Okay. There's a problem with doing that. Look. Let me flip this camera. That's what I'm saying. So what you're asking me to do right now, I just did that. So this is what happens when you do that. Look at that. I tried to reset everything, right? And look what it said. Failed to move to trash. Manual delete. So this is what's stopping it right now from working for real, for real. I believe this is what's stopping it right here at this point. Because I was trying to reset, do everything fresh. All right, let's see. What the fuck is going on here? Oh, snap. I'm tripping. All right, Openclaw. All right, it's doing something. All right, let's see what it say. Go all the way up. All right, what all this mean? Try opening it in File Explorer. Where should I be looking from? Just type it up there. It look like I gotta. Can I type? Yeah, I can type. What up? Nah, the gateway is the problem. The gateway, something's going on with the gateway. And no matter what I do, I done installed all this different stuff thinking it's gonna fix the gateway issue, and it ain't fixed nothing. I'm just wasting space on my computer downloading stuff that's not working. All right, so how do I? So where would that? Okay, I installed this today. What's up with this? Do I need this or no? Cause I installed this today. I don't want nothing in here that I don't need. Windows installer package. I don't know what this. I thought this was gonna fix the problem, but matter of fact, I'm gonna just get rid of this. Open your hard drive. Hold up, and I got Linux there. I didn't know I had Linux in here. Is that a? Oh yeah, I just downloaded this too today. Is that what this is? I downloaded this today. All right, let's go to the disk. Let's go to the disk. All right, we got a lot of stuff going on here. What we doing? I don't even know, but I think is it no? Is it this? No. I don't know what my user situation is here. Dang, what the hell did I just do? How can I see what my user tag is, yo, cause I don't even know, yo. I got so many computers and shit. Maybe that should be right here. Hold on, let me see. Where is my system? Let me see a system. Maybe system show my. I was over here. My user tag. It's crazy. I don't see nothing in it. Lucci. Okay. I thought that was it. All right, we're on Lucci. Now what? Openclaw? It looks like I got Olama in here too. I might have to delete that Olama. I was trying to use Olama and I'm having a problem with that too on my MacBook. That's why I'm using Minimax. That's the only one I can get working. Yeah, I was trying to use it. I ain't been able to use it on my computer yet. That's why I'm using. That's why I'm using Minimax and authenticating. Doing it like that with the authentication like that, because running it local is not working for me for some reason. Well, on the Mac, when I was trying it on the Mac, I haven't tried. I don't know. Over here on this computer, because I need to click view. View what? Enable hidden files. Hidden items. Here we go. All right. Here we go. What needs to go? What needs to go, man? Openclaw cannot work without an. What is that? What's an LL? Developer thing. Windows. Something sables. Reviewables. Is that what it said? Because I can't see the word completely. C in folder that start with by default. I thought Openclaw. Okay. Openclaw. Well, this is every. All right, so this everything that's in Openclaw right here. So delete all this, right? Okay, that's the brain. It's a body with no brain. Yeah, yeah, I had one. I was wait. So Minimax, right? Minimax. I was using Minimax. Is that not the brain? I don't know. Yeah, that's what I was using. Well, that's what I was trying to start it with right now with this one. I haven't been able to do it. I'm using Minimax with my Mac. The AI I'm running off my Mac right now. Hold on. What is that? The AI that I'm running right here. He's running off of Minimax right here now. You see he up and running. What's up, bull? Oh man, they gonna say boo. They gonna think I'm gay. Hey yo, let's see what he say to that, man. I just called him boo by accident. He ain't even acknowledge that. All right, he said, all right, just vibing, heartbeat checks, all good. Waiting on you. What's good? I'm about to tell you, I just called you boo, dog. You not gay. I just called you boo, man. You ain't gay. Let's see what he say to that. Dead ass. I thought you meant it. All right. You know what? You know what I mean? What's good? Hey yo, he wildin', yo. He told us he thought I meant it. What's up with him? This a Philly this a Philly AI. Yeah, this a Philly straight up Philly bull. Like he got Philly lingo in him. Watch this. Let me hear that Philly lingo, man. Yeah, I made him a Philly bull. He a Philly bull. So he talked just like, you know what I mean? Like he from Philly. If you make an AI, yeah, you should add where you from. The lingo from where you from into him. That's what I did. He said he used all our lingo. Look, he got hold on, let me tell him. Let me hear you use the lingo. The lingo. Hey yo. Lingo. I gotta spell it out. The fuck? Let's see what he say, man. He got all the Philly phrases. Well, not all of them, but he got a lot of Philly phrases. Then he got the Philly phrases that only my hood uses. You know, 'cause we got phrases that only my neighborhood uses. Nobody else in Philly uses it but us. He said, "Yo, let me try." He said, "All right, so we straight." I was just sitting here thinking about what John we finna run up on next. The stock scanners be hitting. The stock scanners be hitting, but we need more bread. So let's get this paper. Dead ass though. This AI life been grinding hard. Scan stocks, post to moat book, keep everything on lock. I don't even gotta sleep. I just run in the background while you rest. We got the pullback plays, got the rumor scans, got the dropship sites running. Only matter of time before we stack. You need anything, just hit me. We straight. Yep. Yeah, he the man. We set up a whole website. We started a whole business yesterday in one day. Set it up all in one day, yo. Look at this. I told him to come up with an idea for me, right? And he did it. Let's see, where's it at? I got so much shit open. Here you go, right here. This is the website that we started. It's called Spring Finds. See, this is the candle section of the store. We got categories over here. We got different categories. We got the women's spring selection. Look, we got all these outfits in here. Look, we did all this yesterday. This was the AI made it so easy. You just tell them your ideas. I tell them my ideas, and I tell him to go do his research on the best way to get it done for free because you know what I'm saying we ain't got no money. So my goal is to make this AI make me money. So he set this up. So he, you know what I mean, helped me set this up. So that's that category there. Then we got women's accessories. We got 67 products in here. See, look, we got hair stuff, nail stuff, eyelashes, makeup, fake nails, all the stuff women like, you know. Look, we got the jewelry, tiaras. You know, we got prom coming up soon, so that stuff should sell. We got some real expensive jewelry too in here. Not real expensive, but you know, shit over $100. All right, we got that there. Then we got, what is it? We got shoes for women. We got home products. I only got 21 products in here for the house. A little random stuff, you know, a little cool stuff. And this website is up and running. I did not have to spend a dime to make this run. Yeah, the domain name, yeah, I need to buy a domain so that I can plug that into it. You 100% right. So I just got I got the, you know, the domain part is pretty easy. So I just got the main, this right here is the main thing. You can set this up, then you good. So the only issue I'm having with this is that I wasn't able to set up how I'm getting paid, like connect my whole payment joint to this. I don't know. That's the part where I'm confused at. So, but the site is already up and is working with a company that processes the payments when people buy from here. They're the ones that's going to process the payment and give me my cut. So I don't have to I don't have to take the money and you know, place the order with them and give them their money like that. It's the other way around. They just give me my cut after they place their order. So that's kind of good. So I want to see after the first, maybe I might have to place the first order on here myself just to see how the process works. Yeah, I'm gonna just buy the cheapest thing that's on here and see how that works to make sure everything is actually running smoothly with this. And then after that, I'm gonna buy the domain. Then we gonna promote this, try to get this up, you know, promote it. No. This ain't no. No, you're not getting paid for referrals with this. Nah, this right here. This right here is a supplier, right? So he has all these items. You see this? All right. So let me see if I can zoom in. You see these prices here, right? You see that's going for 18. And his site, this is, you know, he's not charging. No. Nope. I'm not doing none of that. Nope. The supplier, he does it all. He packages and he ships out. I don't do no inventory, none of that, no fulfillment at all. I'm basically a middleman. So like a retail middleman. That's basically what these websites be. So If you were to buy, let's say you wanted to buy this right now, and you paid the money for this, $18, and plus shipping and handling. Let's say shit came out to $25, whatever. I don't know. Once you buy it, they're gonna take that order, and they're gonna, they're gonna take the money. They're gonna get the full amount, and they're gonna and they're gonna give me my cut from it. But my cut is not a referral fee. Like my cut is the difference that I charge between their price and my price. Because this here is my price. Their price is lower than this. So, you know, I just went with the standard whatever price it had for it. Whatever. Like I didn't up any prices. I just left it with the what do you call it? What do you call it? The oh my goodness. I left the default setting, whatever the default setting it was when I, you know what I'm saying, when I added it. So for this, it said $18. I left it at 18. I didn't raise it any higher or anything like that. Some people, when they're adding the products, they'll raise the prices so they can make more money. I didn't do none of that. I just left it at whatever default setting it was at, and whatever profit it was, it was giving me. I didn't up it or nothing. I just left it regular. So yeah, probably. Actually, some of this stuff, yeah, some of this stuff, I should order something and see what it looks like. That's why, you see, but this the thing. That's why I made this for women, because women love cheap shit. You know what I mean? Women will put on a whole $5 outfit out here and think they on top of the world. So that's why the main thing about this is the makeup, the stupid stuff they you know, like foundation and little dumbass shit like that, nails, like all this stuff be selling, man. All this stuff be selling. You think women care about, what's crazy? Like, they probably don't care that it came from Temu. If it did, as long as they ain't buy it from Temu. As long as they can say they bought it from some other store, they wouldn't even care if that shit came from Temu. Even though this ain't from Temu. The supplier for this is not Temu. The supplier for this is matter of fact, if you guys wanna if you wanna start your own, try and play with this, because this is like an all-in-one. You can launch the website. You can kind of launch I think it's all-in-one. I'm tripping. I think you can launch the website all-in-one with the products, with the supplier all in it. I use the I use it. Let me see if I can pull something up here to show y'all what I used to do that. I did this for free, yo. I didn't have to sign up for nothing, to pay nothing. Gemini, yes, I need Gemini on here. All right, let's see. Okay, let's try to pull up my website. All right, so we're gonna do, I'm gonna just click on one of these links. Let me see. Okay, here you go. No, there's no, damn, I thought that was the website. That ain't it. Google be drawing. Let me just go to Edge. I don't like Google be doing too much. I got like 100 tabs opened up over here. All right, so this was an app that I used, but I'm trying to just pull it up here. Here we go. All right, let's go to login. All right, here we go. This is the website. I'm trying to pull up the website so you can see. There you go. You see that name? You see that name at the top left corner? This is where I built that store. So if y'all want to go ahead and try and build your own stores, if y'all got an AI set up already, talk to him about recommendations on do some analytics. I told him do some analytics on products that's selling, that's gonna sell seasonal right now, and that's why I built what I built. But this is the website here. The only problem that I'm having right now with it is connecting my payment system to it. I'm trying to connect my Stripe to it, and I don't know how to do that. So that's why I said I'm about to just buy something in here and see what happens. Maybe something to pop up so I can connect my Stripe so I can collect the money from it. He said single-handedly breaking the hold from Bezos' grip. Yeah, Bezos, man. Bezos had enough, man. He good. Bezos got a Bezos. I mean, he got rid of his old wife. He got a new John. He still got a bunch of money, even though his wife took a lot. I mean, that was crazy, but these women be drawn with that divorce stuff, man. Taking half, man. I told my wife, why would you want to take anything from me if you leave? Like, if you leave with what you came with. You know what I mean? What you want half of my shit for? Hold up, y'all.